Here is Monumento Natural Caldera del Rey, which is the natural monument for King Caldera. And just on video, it is really hard for me to capture the true depth that this has because the depth perception on camera gets thrown off massively. This looks like it was all part of the volcanic range and they created this like canyon, maybe from an eruption. Who knows? Could have been millions of years ago because it doesn't look like it's that deep, so it looks like it's eroded over time. You can kind of see it right there. It just massively shoots down. But the reason why I'm talking about this is, do you see all this that's in the middle? Of course that is not natural landscape because they are growing different crops all there, I presume all under these sheets as well. They are growing different things, and that leads me into my talking point about just the landscape of Tenerife. So because this is all volcanic, it is really hard, and in some parts of the archipelago, frankly impossible for crops to grow and even plant life just because the soil is not fertile at all. So for them to be able to make use of this empty space and to try to get some natural farming and just growing plant life where they can is great. When I landed at the airport, my first thought was that this feels like Iceland, at least in the area, because of the volcanic molten rock and ash that's around the airport, and seemingly feels like there was not much around it. But then as you came in, then it felt a little bit like the Azores, but then once you got to like Playa de las Americas, and then just of course all the parts that the tourists are, then it felt like a real town. You aren't walking around and seeing plant life. If you're seeing grass, that is probably not natural. They had to do something there to add minerals to the soil and then to make it grow. You see, like here, everywhere you go, you see succulents that are growing in the ground. And the climate here, of course, does not add to this because it is a very, very humid climate. Oh my god, the cacti really are everywhere. Wow. This is all cacti. Look at that thick one right there. Okay, that's enough cacti shots. Not many places in the world are you going to get landscape that is like this, and then just down below somewhere that has turned into a tourist hub for Western vacationers. So it is a really unique, cool combination. What the camera also can't pick up is just the sheer size of everything that they are growing and how big the crater is. Okay, that's enough, but I will stop talking about this now.